Hello everyone, my name is Omino Tekle. Today I will explain about what is a bridge and introduction of bridge. I am currently pursuing BTech degree in civil engineering. So, introduction of bridge. A bridge is a structure which is built over some physical obstacles such as a body of water, valley, or road. And its purpose is to provide crossing over that obstacle. It is built to be strong enough to safely support its own weight as well as the weight of the anything that should be passed over it. A bridge infrastructure which maintain the communication over physical substance, example, a channel, river, a road, a railway line, or a valley. Next one is bridge destination. If it carries road traffic or railway traffic or pipeline over a channel or valley, it's called as bridge. If it carries the traffic or pipe over a communication system like roads or railways, this is called flyover or overbridge. Third one is bridge. Several small span constructed over busy locality, a valley, dry or wetland, or forming flyover to carry the vehicular traffic with cut. Next one is the history. History of bridge. History of bridge begins with the tree log accidentally fallen across the watercourse. Natural rock arches formed due to erosion when not arch bridges. Timber suspended above deep florage, hanging creepers from one tree to another by tying bunch of long creepers with the trees seated on the side of watercourse. This will the images of trees. The components of bridge: superstructure, deck, truss, grinder, etc. Substructure, piper, abutments, bearing, and foundation. As per seen in the picture, upper part is deck. This will be the bearing, and this the column is called as pier, abutment, and foundation of the pier. This will shown as per. Next one is the real image. This superstructure. This will be the bearing, cap beam, and this will be the pier. Next one is the general arrangement of the bridge. How arrangement of the bridge this will be shown here. Next one is the typical details of abutment. What is the length, height, dirt wall, approach slab, what is the thickness of approach slab. All will be shown in this picture. Plant at abutment footing toss. Classification of bridge. Bridges are mainly classified according to three functions, which is material used in the construction, like cement, earthwork, etc. Various structure forms, construction and function. What will the function over the railway, over the bridge, over the water, or over the tunnel, etc. Classification according to material, timber, masonry, concrete, steel. This will be the different type of material that we can use for making the bridge. This is a wooden bridge, Swedish wood. Wooden bridge. This is the arc bridge. This bridge is created from using stones, masonry. This will be the PCB, pre-stressed and precast pre-tension, most likely with precast concrete slab. Pre-tension and precast. Steel bridge. This will be the steel bridge. According to various structural forms, slab 0.12 meter, beam 10 to 30 meter, cantilever, balance cantilever 30 to 500 meter, box girder 18 to 30 meter up to 60 to 70 meter with pre-staged cellular multi-colored bridges. This all being the multi-class bridges. So distance features of slab bridges. Usually used for short span, carry loads in shear and texture bending, have sufficient torsional fit stiffness, bearing are not required. Simple shuttering and formwork is required. Become a heavy increase in dead load or large spans. Hollow slabs are sometimes provided for medium spans. Next one is the distinctive features of bridge. Girder bridge. Oldest and most common these types known as usually used for short and medium span, carry loads in shear and flexural bending. In modern girder bridges, steel I-beams replace concrete beams. Low torsional stiffness. This will be the features shown in the types of beam, girder bridge, beam in girder bridge. Different types are shown. Distinctive features of the box splitter bridges. In addition to flexural stiffness and shear resistance, this bridge has sufficient torsional stiffness, more suitable for curved plan and long span bridges. This girder type of box splitter is used for longer span bridges normally. These are all the images shown in the PPT. Next one are the types all are covered. This is the truss. This is the cover. Next is types arch bridge. Hinge base, 2 hinge, 3 hinge, or also hinge is the degree in the structure. Next one, the roadwork critique, arch critique, masonry, vertical load from the traffic, concrete arch brick, resist concrete arch, steel arch brick, and steel arch brick. This is the survey and bridge in constructed in 1938, Sydney, Australia, parabolic arch and 503 meter of the span. And this is the arch bridge 46-meter span. This will be the in USA 502-meter span. Contain civil suspension is posture stability on the basic of plan. Span length, steel suspension, steel reverse, steel truss. Still the span length and stability. Which type of the bridge and girder we have used for that span? More suitable. Construction and other function. According to inter-span relation, simple. Independent span, large beam to SF, bending moment to shear force. Continuous. Design moment are reduced to foundation supported on good rock or differential settlement of the supported in elemented. Cantilever balance beach. Slightly differential settlement under the pier or abutment are not determined. So, this is always covered according to position of these or floor. Truss bridges, partial take time and partially through type. This on the method of connection, pin joint, reverted or welded. This will depend on load and what will be the joint will be provided over here. According to road level, high level, the submersible, according to method of clearance for navigation, high level, movable, vertical and movable single or transportation bridge. According to duration of use and service, permanent, temporary, military, according to functions, educate, educate, and pedestrian, highway, regular, privileges. This is our 6 meter minor vehicle or when provided when 6 meter or greater less than 6 meter. When minor short span bridge when the span is 6 meter to 60 meter. Major medium span bridge the span between less greater than 60 or less than 150. And long span bridge is greater than 150. According to degree or it is determinate or indeterminate. Some famous bridge. These are the London Tower Bridge, Mumbai Bandra Sea Link, world longest span bridge with 1991 meter and 1991 meter. Akash Kelia Bridge, Kobe, Japan. This is all famous bridges in overall world. Hydraulic data. This is all. Okay, thank you. This is from my side. Any question, please let me know in comment section.